Nothing would make you to get more views like you talking about something that's new to people and talking about it in a way where it's interesting, inspiring, motivating, or enlightening people in a way it's useful or beneficial to them. So sometimes I look into ways of what it is that I can do that would make me to be or to have more views on YouTube. But then when I compare myself to how American people or how people outside or living in South Africa, there are people who when they make videos, their background lightning, like it looks so interesting to the point where I so wish to reach that level. But then with your support, with your subscription, with your views, I hope I would be able to grow, and I hope that everything that I'm sharing is of benefit to you.